Welcome back, Retro Gang. My name is Joe, and in today's video, I dug into my sealed collection and I found some XY Evolutions packs, and we're going to open those along with a couple other sealed packs that I randomly found inside this tin. So let's go.
Gang, gang.
Alright guys, so this is what we are busting open right now. We have 2 packs of Cosmic Eclipse, 2 packs of Unbroken Bonds, that's cool pack art, and then the heavy hitters. I have 5 packs left of XY Evolutions, so we will be Charizard hunting in these packs, or any cool holo really. But before we get to the Evolutions, let's start with Unbroken Bonds. Pack number 1, let's go! Code card. Fire. Oh, grass. Now I'm in for it. Dust Island. Who wants to move to Dust Island? Not me. We have a Golbat, a Tentacruel, a Ghastly, Togepi, a Pikachu. We always like to pull a Pikachu. Murkrow, Rhyhorn, a reverse Crab Brawler into a non-holo Victory Bell. Alright, next pack. Look at that Lucario right there. That's sweet. Alright, we're looking at a Froakie here. Code card. Should I just stick with fire? No, see, I should have changed it. Energy. We have Porygon 2. That's some cool artwork. Martial Arts Dojo. A Fairy Charm. We miss our Fairy energy. There's our Froakie. Crab Brawler. Oddish. Squirtle, those Kanto vibes. This card was also used in that McDonald's 25th anniversary set. Tentacool. A reverse Reds challenge into a non-holo Crabominal. That's some cool artwork though. So that's it for, what was that, Unbroken Bonds? Now we're going to go into Cosmic Eclipse. We have 2 packs. Let's hope for an ultra rare. We still haven't got an ultra rare yet. Oh, they put the code in backwards. Those assholes. Alright. Does it really matter now? Let's go. Our reverse was Rowlet, and our rare non-holo. Nothing back there. Alright. Our second and last pack of Cosmic Eclipse. And this pack just fell apart. Oh, they did it to us again. What are these guys? Code card. So we know we got nothing here. Reverse Anorith, non-holo Marshadow. On to the main event. What do I have here? I got 2 Blastoise and 3 Venusaurs here. Let's do it like this. That's how we'll do it. Alright. This pack art's sweet. It's been a while since I opened Evolutions, and I know that it is 3 to the front. Code card. Alright. Energy Retrieval. We got a Haunter. Pokedex. Ratatata. Charmander. Energy. Pikachu. Growlithe. Reverse Voltorb into a non-holo Electrode. Blastoise you up. Gotta save us here, Blastoise. Haven't got a hit yet. Code card. 3 to the front. Kakuna. Energy Retrieval. Haunter. Poliwag. Energy. Ratatata. Vulpix. We got Electabuzz. A reverse trainer Venusaur Spirit Link into... Oh, come on! Another non-hollow Electrode. Is this how it's going to be? This is how it's going to be, huh? Let's go. Code. And it's gone. Nidorino. Super Potion. Brock's Grit. Electabuzz. Drowsy. Staryu. Energy. Growlithe. A reverse Ninetales. At least we got a rare. Reverse rare here. Into. Alright, we got our first holo. Hitmonchan. We have 2 packs left. Let's go with Blastoise. God, these are opening like trash today. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Ponyta, sorry. Code. Alright. We got Pidgeot Spirit Link. Poliwhirl. Full Heal Trainer. Ponyta. Doduo. Pikachu. Staryu. Onix. A reverse Diglett into a non-hollow Starmie. Alright, this is it, guys. Last pack magic here. I mean, there's multiple Charizards in this set that they could give us, for real. Code. Alright. We have a Pokédex. Slowbro Spirit Link. Nidorino. Caterpie. Ghastly. Diglett. Rattata. Charmander. There we go. A reverse rare Raichu. Very nice. Into... Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Another Electrode. Get out of here, Electrode. Let's sleeve up this Raichu. Alright, so like we just saw, we pulled the reverse rare Raichu. We hit that reverse rare Ninetales. And the hit of this opening, the only regular rare holo hit, was this Hitmonchan. No Charizard this time, but we're always on the hunt. If you like this video, leave me a like, drop me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. We out.